right, team, listen up. We're busting an underground fighting ring tonight. Pulling about 100 fighters nightly. The last one standing wins. We got a slick operation here. The leader is named Cervantes. That's right. We finally got enough to nail him.
Any other intel we should know?
This is the same guy that we've been after for months. He's well armed and only has a few bodyguards.
I'm gonna take that prick out myself.
Not quite. Word from the top says this is just a snatch and grab. It's purely non-lethal.
Girlies hit me up because the homie is famous. Girlies hit me up because the homie is famous. Girlies hit me up because the homie is famous. Girlies hit me up because the famous homie is famous. Girlies hit me up because the homie is famous. Girlies hit me up because the homie is famous. Girlies hit me up because the homie is famous. Girlies hit me up because the homie is famous. Ever since she heard I chill with the bird. She's calling non-stop. That is my word. Oh, you know him too. What do you do? Me? And Adam, I'm rapping.
This is crap.
Settle down, Horn. Save it for the mission.
No, I'm not gonna settle down. I'm not gonna save it for the mission. We've been after the son of a bitch for months now, right?
Dude, not now.
I'm telling you, I see that prick first, I'm taking him down.
Sit your ass down and shut the hell up, that's what you're gonna do. We're better than this. If we were in charge, we'd do things differently. But this is the way Thompson laid it out for us. Pull it together, people. Stack up. All right, what do we have?
We have 3, but no sign of Cervantes.
What do you mean? Where in the hell is he?
Search the room. Make sure he hasn't hidden anywhere.
No sign of Cervantes anywhere.
He couldn't have got far. Raymond, take front. Continue to search the house.
Freeze! Drop the cage and put your hands in the air.
I don't think so, Puerque. I'd rather die than be taken alive by you Chicanos.
Oh, we can arrange that.
Oh, you can? I think you're under orders, cop, to keep me alive. And if you shoot me, your cushy little world, it may as well come to an end.
He's right. We have to take him in.
You see, Pig? The customer? She's always right.
Shut it, prick. Horn, keep your weapon on him. Grinder, take the cage. And Raymond, prepare the flex cuff for our perp.
Yes, take the cage. Take my precious little peep.
Keep your eye on the target. Give me a sit rep.
Oh, can't see a thing, sir.
Delta Actual, this is Alpha 1, over.
Roger, Alpha 1. Delta Actual. Send your traffic. Over.
Sir, we managed to contain this branch of the operation, but the Tango leader is still at large. I repeat, the big Canary is not in his cage. Over.
Traffic received, Alpha 1. Bring your boys home. Good work. We'll get them the next time. Delta Actual out.
All right.
Party, 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 I wanna have a party. I need to have a party. You better have a party. Party, 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 you gotta party hardy. I'm gonna have a party, or else you won't be sorry. Party, 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 the party's gonna start it. I know I got it, party, party, love the party. Party, 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 make me party. I gotta take an acid so I can keep a party. Sweet, sweet party, 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 party. You got a party, I want a party. Who's gonna make this party? Freeze!
Go pigeon, go pigeon, go pigeon, go pigeon, say go pigeon, go pigeon, go pigeon, go pigeon. All these dudes telling lies for the fame and wealth. I'd rather kick back and just be myself. Enjoy the good times and enjoy the hell.
And there's nothing in the world better than life itself.